What's up? Mr. O here, and we're going to learn how to factor by difference of two squares. Difference of two squares in mathematics is a squared number subtracted from another squared number. Meaning, say squared number is like 5 squared is 25, x squared is x squared, 100 is coming from a 10 squared. So those kind. Before we go, you should know that the perfect square, which is 1 squared is 1. My pen is not working. 2 squared is 4. 3 squared is 9. 4 squared is 16. 25 my bad. 5 squared is 25. 6 squared is 36. 7 squared is 49. 8 squared is 64. 9 squared it's 81. 10 squared is 100, and so on and so forth. Okay. For difference of two squares, there's a pattern, and then they even have a proof that, like I said, difference of two square, difference is something you subtract, that two different number that you square, so a squared minus b squared. Two numbers that are squared, you find they're different, that's why it's minus between them. And with that, every difference of a square, maybe, it be differentiated by a linear. When I say a linear with a degree of 1, so A, B, A, and B. That's a pattern. The exponents are just 1. The technique there is 1 is minus, 1 is add, the factors, okay? To show you a little proof of that one, if you FOIL it, A times A is A squared, A times B is positive AB, negative B times A is negative AB, and negative B times negative B is negative B squared. If you notice the middle term there, AB minus AB will cancel out. So what's left there is A squared minus B squared. And that's why this works there. Okay? So let's go ahead with a couple of examples here. X squared minus 64. X squared is when you multiply, is a squared of x. X times x is x squared. 64 is 8 times 8. So therefore, this is the A, that's the B. The A there is x. The B there is 8. Because x times x is x squared. 8 times 8 is 64. So applying this formula here, we get x minus 8, x plus 8. You can switch around the sign. You can have the plus first and minus. It doesn't matter, okay? And that's the answer there. 100 minus y squared. We know 100 is 10 times 10. Y squared is y times y. So basically this will be 10 minus y and 10 plus y. Okay? Very simple, right? What if we mix it up? When I say mix it up, 4a squared minus 49. We know that 4 is coming from a 2 squared. A is coming from a squared. 49 is coming from 7 squared. So what do you think will be the factors of this? From 4 is going to be 2 and 2. A will be A and A. 49 is 7 and 7 plus or minus. Kaboom. One more. 16n squared minus 25. What do you think are the factors of 16n squared minus 25? 16 is coming from a 4 squared. So 4 and 4. N is coming from n and n. 25 is coming from the 5 squared. So 5 plus minus. Very easy, right? What if we end up with x squared plus 64? This is very similar to that one there, number 1. But this is plus, but that's minus. Will it work? Let's prove it. If I have a plus b, we multiply this, a squared, ab, b squared. AB and AB will not cancel. Unlike here, they will eliminate. So what's AB plus AB? It will be double of AB. So to make the story short here, it will not cancel the middle term. So this is a prime. When you say a prime, it's not factorable. Okay? I hope you learned something, and the code is okay. Have a good day. Kaboom.